I'm Sohee. If you have clicked into this video, I suppose that you are interested in learning Korean. And very often when I ask the students, what's your purpose of learning Korean? They answer me that they really don't know. So before you start learning, you really want to figure out the reason behind why you'd like to learn Korean in the first place. Do you just want to communicate with Koreans? Or do you want to travel alone? Or do you want to pass the TOPIK exam? And with different purposes, we actually have different study methods to help you to get to the goal faster. Next is knowing what to learn and how to learn. Let me ask you a question. Why is that some people can learn a new thing in only a month, while the others need a year or even more? The most critical reason is because these people, they have a proven learning system that they follow. And lucky for you, I do have this proven method for learning Korean. And why do I know about this? Is because I have been through it, and many of the other students have followed my method and have succeeded. I myself have the TOPIK Level 6 certificate, and my students, their passing rate of the TOPIK exam is 100%. I've taught Amazing Talker for over 5,000 Korean lessons with more than thousands 5-stars review. I've got a first honor double degree in Korean and English bilingual professional communication, and I also have a master degree in language education. I have more than 10 years of online and offline teaching experience, so you're in good hands. On the side, I'm married to a Korean, so I live in Korea, and I also worked as a tour guide in Korea, so if you'd like me to give you any recommendations, feel free to ask me. So my teaching method is very interactive, and each lesson is topic-based, so the proven method guarantees you to learn new vocabularies and new sentence patterns each lesson so that you can start speaking Korean faster. Depending on your learning goal, the course will vary a bit, but you can expect to gain confidence in Korean after the course. Are you still thinking whether or not you should take Sohee's course? Let me guess your reasons. 1.
Sohee's lessons kinda expensive.
Okay, so for this, you need to think of it like Sohee has helped me saving much of my time. So is it worth it? You can think about it. 2.
Is Sohee's course that effective?
Okay, if you have this concern, I may not be the best person to answer this. Instead, please go to the next video here so you can see what my students think about my course and their results if you're interested. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my class soon. Bye!